Do you use Lumia Stream? Do you know what is Lumia Stream? If you don't know, Lumia Stream is a service that gives streamers on Twitch, YouTube, Trovo, and Facebook the ability to maximize viewer engagement by giving chat the ability to control streamers' smart lights and devices live on their room through chat commands, alerts, bits, and even channel points. With an ever-growing list over 25 integrations, there is no limit to the ways that you can illuminate your stream to make it truly unique. But in today's video, I'm not going to show how you can create the effects or use your lights with this software. But instead, I'm going to show you on this software how you can add text to speech to your chat, giving a specific user or a viewer a specific chat text to speech voice. And also on the end of this video, I'm going to show you how you can actually spice that voice, giving an effect that will create your stream a little bit more unique. Hi, my name is Rodrigo, and I want to take this opportunity real quick to show you all those subscribers that actually did subscribe to this channel in the last couple weeks. I really appreciate your support. And also, if you like this content and more contents that come into this channel, don't forget to subscribe and also like this video, and also click on the bell so you can get notifications for more videos like this. So the first thing that you're going to be doing is you're gonna download a virtual cable from this site right here, which is the VB Audio. This site right here, I'm gonna put in the description below as well. What you're going to do, you're gonna download the free version. That's a virtual cable, which you're going to separate your text-to-speech from the software Lumia Stream to your OBS. That way you can apply effects. So you're going to have to download this first. It's a free virtual cable for your PC. And after you download and install, restart your computer, and then you're gonna go ahead and go to lumiastream.com. I also am going to put the description below. This software is completely free for you to use it. However, for you to use this text-to-speech that I'm going to show you on this video, you had to actually have the premium account on the software. Is very affordable if you're losing your lights, and plus what I'm going to show and a lot more this software can offer you. I myself being premium on this software since last year, when didn't even have the much features that I'm going to actually show you in the future videos from this software. And actually I'm blown away with so many updates and improvements to this software until the time of this video, and I'm sure by the time you watch it's going to be a lot more improvements as well. This software here, as you can see right now here, you have the free version only gives you the alerts, which is great. You can use your alerts for your chat to trigger your lights when somebody give you a bit, subs, or a follow as well. The hotkeys, so you can program it on your hotkeys as well. The color pick for your lights, the OBS and slop alerts as well here. And this is where a start getting more limited. Like you can you can create channel points on this software, but it's only limited to 5 here. When you go free, you can also do chat commands on the software, but it's only limited to up to 5, I believe, as well. That's a lot of things that you can do it, but we're gonna go to text to speech today. So after you're done to download this software, you're gonna go and open your software. And when you open your software right here, basically is going to be, it's not going to be just look like that, because you have to connect it to your Twitch, to your Facebook, to YouTube as well. It works on YouTube, and to Trovo if you use that for your stream. First thing you're going to do, you're going to click on connections, which is right down here. And over here, you see I already connect a bunch of stuff on it. You're going to add a connection here, and you're gonna choose your Twitch account, your YouTube. You're just gonna follow the instructions. After that, it's very easy to connect, and you can connect all your stuff here. Besides connect to that, you can connect it to Stream Elements if you have alerts like myself. I do have it to your OBS Studio. Remember, if you're using OBS Studio to connect it to this software, you had to download a WebSocket. I'm gonna leave a description below as well. So after you're connected to your Twitch account or to your live stream, what are you going to do? You're gonna go here on settings, And out in settings, you're going to go to general. And in general, what you're going to do, you're going to select the TTS output device to that virtual cable that you download. The reason why we're going to use a different input cable or output to go to that voice to your, like I say, to your OBS is because we are going to put something else in there. Okay, so you're going to select the cable, which is VB audio that you just install. The default audio output, you're going to put the default audio that you're using on your system or anything else. And after you've done this, you're going to go here to the commands. Okay, you're going to click on the commands. You're going to have a chat, and you're also going to have a Twitch point or Twitch extension. You're going to be in chat. Okay, and we are going right here and user levels. When you go into user levels, you're going to see right here that is already that Lumia already put those right here as a basic. If you're on Twitch, because remember we're on Twitch, if you're going to do YouTube, you gotta click on YouTube and you're gonna change this. The user is you, just so you know, the streamer, mods, VIPs, tier 1, 2, 3, follower, and anyone will be anyone in your chat besides to follow you in your channel. And then what you're going to do, as you can see, I already create for some certain users on my channel. You're going to add user level. So we're gonna click add user level. You refresh. You're gonna scroll down a little bit. You're gonna see custom group. You're gonna click the little pencil right here, and you're gonna name it. And let's say you wanted to name it. Let's name it test. Okay, so just for the sake of this video, so just test. Refresh. And over here on users on the bottom right here, that's where you're going to add the specific user, the name of the ID, the name tag of the specific user in your chat. If you wanted to give it for a specific mod on your chat, you're gonna put right here the name of the mod that you want to give it to your specific user, or you can put as a bot as well. I create actually a bot right here, actually for Stream Elements that I create, and also I put Stream Elements bot name over here, and we will speak every time the message from Stream Elements or whatever that could be Nightbot on your chat. It will speak from here. So you put the specific user right here. Like I already have here, for example, TTS Charles. I already put him as a specific user. Yeah, so as you can see, I put his name already here. So after you create your specific user on this part right here, what you're going to do, you're gonna go back to the list at the top right here. Go ahead and open create a command, and you're going to give it the command. Let's say if the user want to type X, for example, exclamation X, it will trigger the text to speech. So you put a command. I just put an example. You can put anything you want over here, and then what you're going to do, you're gonna go to TTS section right here. By the way, here first you're gonna put type. You're gonna change color to no light change. That way, every time it's triggered, it doesn't change in your lights. If you want it's total with you, that's fine. And down here, as you can see, user level is set up already through everybody. But what you're going to do, if you want a specific use for one user, you want to untag all this out. Okay, you can have it for yourself just in case you want to test it out and stuff like that. And you're going to select the user level that you create. You're going to go here on the TTS. You're going to click to enable, and you're going to over here delete that. And you're going right here, you're going to click and you're going to select the variable, say message. That means that anything that the person is going to write on the chat, that type this command X, it will speak on the chat. All right. And right here, you're going to see there's a voice options. So you're going to click here and there's all these different voices that you can choose. I'm gonna choose Nicole. And then what you're going to do over here, you can do the delay test if you want, the volume or the voice. And once you've done this, you just click apply and we'll be asked for refresh. All right, so right here on OBS, the first thing you're going to do, you're going to add a source that is going to be audio input capture. And once you create that source and add here, you can name it whatever you wanted to name. I did name right here for this tutorial TTS. And once you name and you already put over here, make sure that you select the cable output VB audio virtual cable, the same one that you download on the beginning of this video, and also the one that we put on Lumia Stream to connect the text to speech from there. Once you do that, the only thing you gotta to try to do right now is just to test it. We're gonna just test it to see if it works. Remember, we did use the exclamation X for testing, and now let's see if that works.
Testing my beautiful voice.
All right, so that works perfectly fine. So that actually is so this is like this is when you wanted to give it to a specific viewer, or if you wanted to do as a channel point as well, you can also on Lumia, if you go to Lumia in channel points, right here in the comments, as you see the comments part right here, if you want to edit this to a channel points, you just click channel points right down here, and you add a you don't add a command. You're gonna go to the three dots right here, and you're gonna click at the arrow, the down arrow right here. You're gonna search for the command that we did, which is that, and then when you click it goes to this list, and then you add automatically to your channel points if you want to use as a channel points. However, when you want to give you this voice, let's say now that you wanted to give this voice a little bit of an effect, if you want to give a delay or something, what you can do is on this TTS that you create here, the source that you create, you just right click, you go to filters, and you can add the VST plugin, whatever VST plugin that you want to put effect on that voice. In this case right here, I'm going to add a TAL reverb. Okay, I use this some for reverbs and voices and stuff like that. So this is I'm going to add it. If you want to get this as well, this plugin, I'll put also in the description below. And then when you add to this voice and you close, let's go ahead and test back again to see if it works with the effect.
Testing my beautiful voice.
There we go. So now we give you an effect for this voice. Now you can also have this on your setup. You can also have people that have a different effect, or some of those that don't want an effect, and you can actually toggle on and off for the voice which one is going to speak. I will go into that kind of video a little bit later in depth how you can do that. But with this very simple way to add text to speech from Lumia, is fantastic. It's been working really well. They've been improving this program so much more than just being doing lights and effects with the lights, which is the foundation of this program. So if you like this tutorial, if this video helped you out, just don't forget to like this video, and definitely see you on the next video.